Welcome to the Pharma CiMi.CON 2018. My name is Maria from we.CONECT and I'm standing here with Jim Xu. Hello.
Hi. Hi, Maria.
Hi. And yeah, can you quickly introduce yourself and what your position is at MSD?
I'm Jim Xu. I'm the Executive Director of Strategic Planning and Corporate Development in MSD, based in New Jersey, USA.
How can CI and MI add value to a business?
The innovation comes from everywhere, not just from inside the company such as MSD, but come from the entire ecosystem of the biotechs, the academic institutions, the companies, medium, large, small. So as a CI professional or MI professional, we're constantly looking external for these signals of innovation and trying to bring that into our pipeline or into our product lineup. So in that sense, we have a huge remit and we're very pleased to be able to play a role in that.
What are your biggest challenges in regards to that?
Yeah, well, the industry has evolved in the sense that it's highly dynamic now and highly competitive. So a good molecule, typically by the time it reaches phase 3, many people have already evaluated them, and some of them have already been picked up by other companies and multi partners. So for anyone who are in the biopharmaceutical industry trying to invent innovative medicines, we need to get there early. We need to identify those new ideas early, we need to evaluate them early, and we need to bring them into the pipeline earlier. So the CI role is to examine the external world and trying to identify what are some of the really great ideas that can really change the treatment paradigm, and hopefully be able to do that just a little bit faster than some of the other companies and be able to help our mission.
You did host an icebreaker yesterday with the title CI Medicine Hunters.
Yeah.
That is quite, how to say, forceful, one could say.
Yeah, right.
What did you discuss with your peers?
I use the title because we are all in the business of trying to bring innovative medicines to treat diseases and help prolong the human lives and live better and healthier lives. So in that sense, we all have the same mission. But the CI role, as I just mentioned, in particular, because we spend so much time looking externally at not just our competition, but their opportunity as well. So if you don't do anything, they will continue to be your competitors. But if you think of ways that some of them can potentially be our partners or collaborators going forward, that in a sense is a great opportunity to bring that medicine forward together. So that's in one sense of medicine hunters. And in another sense is some of the earlier ideas presented at medical conferences even could be in the preclinical phase. So if we chose not to partner, at a minimum, we should be aware of those innovations and bring that ideas and marry that with some of our internal innovation, and then we can have the next best medicine that way. So in either case, we would play a very important role in hunting the next major breakthrough medicine.
If I understand that correctly, the role is changing of a CI manager.
Yes, in a sense. In the past was mostly identify who our major competitors are, what they're trying to accomplish, what they're trying to do, when, what, and how do we be better, or how do we be more prepared at least for that. In today's sense, where there are partnership and collaboration going on all the time, what we're trying to change is just change the mindset a little bit. Instead of seeing the entire external world purely as competition, we see that as a great source of opportunity for potential in-licensing or partnership as well. So in that sense, there is that shift of mindset.
So a positive shift,
yes,
more or less.
I think so. I think that's absolutely right. I mean, it doesn't make sense for all the limited R&D investment to be going after all the same targets at the same time. Why don't we sort of spread them across multiple targets, but when we come to good targets, we can potentially work together.
Sounds good. Yeah. Last but not least, how do you like the conference so far?
I really enjoyed it. I think there are some very thought-provoking keynote speakers, and it's always good to step outside of your day-to-day and come to a conference like this to think broadly about the industry trend. Several speakers spoke about that this morning, as well as how CI professionals can play a role and a contribution to move the industry forward. So in that sense, it's good to almost like a little mini offsite to really learn from everyone outside of your company and what they're trying to accomplish. Yeah.
Thank you. And I hope you enjoy the rest of the conference.
Oh, thank you very much, Maria.